Components, database model, configuration concepts. Difference between configuration and customization. Integration support, Lab Station, Crystal Reports, Web Services, HL7, XML, SQL databases. Audit trail and security model. Compliance, 21 CFR Part 11, GAMP5, ISO ICH Guidelines. Samples module, full details. Concept and purpose of samples in LabWare. Sample table structure and hierarchy, sample_test, result tables. Sample creation modes. Manual login. Template login. Grid login. Sample from sample, derivative creation. Aliquoting and resampling process, step by step. Sample lifecycle, unreceived logged in progress reviewed authorized archived. Chain of custody, COC, management. Status control and event triggers. Sample templates, how to design and use for automation. Sample rules, configuring automatic actions via rule tables. Audit trail, tracking modifications using audit reports module. Example, routine water sample testing flow. Products and specifications module, detailed. Purpose of product module and its connection with specifications. Hierarchy, product grade sampling point stage analysis specification. Specification classes, result, any result, lot result, reported result, SPC. Specification types, primary, secondary, none. Product specification designer UI walkthrough. Creating product, grade, and stage entries. Adding specification limits, numeric and text. Control, action, and alert limits. Version control logic, activating and deactivating specs. Specification list structure, spec_list, lot_spec_list. Skip lot testing configuration and logic. Linking COA templates. Formula specifications and unit conversions. Integration example, product-based evaluation of chemical purity. Lot manager module, comprehensive. Definition and purpose. Lot manager window components, summary, samples, results. How to create and manage lots. Sample association with lots. Functions explained, create, split, regrade, merge, import results, disposition. Lot result calculation logic, average, minute, max, specification comparison. Lot result status logic table, in spec out of spec conditions. Linking lots with specification lists. Generating and printing certificates of analysis, crystal reports integration. Example, batch of tablets tested across multiple samples. Tests and analysis module, detailed. Role of test and analysis configuration in LIMS. Difference between a test, analysis, and component. Configuring tests in analysis table. Assigning tests to samples and batches. Using test lists, grouped analysis setup. Defining analysis rules using LIMS Basic or Rule Manager. Test priority, expected completion, and due date fields. Batch manager integration. Grid result entry process. Test status transitions, assigned in progress completed reviewed. Example, pH and conductivity analysis setup. Results module, deep section. Result entry process overview. Supported result types, numeric, text, Boolean, formula, SPC, reported. Result entry interfaces. Manual result entry window. Grid entry. RS-232 instrument import. Calculation and formula logic, field level scripting. Result conversion and unit normalization. Result averaging and statistical evaluations. Result validation rules and limits. Review and authorization workflow, review ID, timestamps. Result versioning and audit reporting. Example, automated validation of test data against specification limits. Instruments module, full explanation. Instrument Manager overview. Integration with LabStation and CDS, chromatography data systems. Instrument template setup. Instrument events, maintenance, calibration, breakdown. Creating and managing instrument event templates. Linking instruments with analyses. Instrument rules, auto-triggered events, LIMS basic integration. Audit and compliance tracking. Example, HPLC and UV spectrophotometer data import. Stability module extended. Purpose and role in pharmaceutical QC. Creating a stability protocol, product, time points, storage conditions. Defining pull schedules. Automatic generation of samples for each time point. Tracking and managing ongoing stability studies. Trend analysis and expiry calculation via crystal reports. Linking with results and reports. Study summary and deviation reporting. Example, drug stability study under 25 degrees Celsius 60% RH. Inventory module, complete. Inventory Manager window and its columns. Item types, standards, reagents, consumables. Tracking quantity, expiry, and location. Barcode scanning and label generation. Auto deduction during test execution. Stock transfer and disposal functions. Reorder level alerts and notifications. Audit trail for every transaction. Example, tracking chemical reagent consumption in daily tests. Integration and data flow. Full process flow, product lot sample test result report. Supporting links. Inventory sampled test. Instrument results. Stability samples results. Reports output. Interconnected database architecture ensuring single source of truth. How crystal reports and LabStation bridge modules. Security and audit control. User profiles and security roles. Audit configuration and data change tracking. Electronic signatures. Version management of configuration tables. Example scenario. Step-by-step workflow, from product registration lot creation sample testing result reporting. Demonstration of how modules communicate in one test life cycle. Conclusion. Summary of full module synergy. How LabWare LIMS enhances productivity, compliance, and traceability. Final notes for lab automation and YouTube audience. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.